I'm gonna do a quick review on this alignment um, magnet for golf clubs. That way it'll show you if you're lined up straight or not. I'll show you how it looks outside, but this here just put it right on it, and if you're straight ahead, or if you're outside or inside, it'll show you. That way you can adjust your club while you hold them. But I'll show you how it looks outside, give you a better view of it. All right, I got outside on my net. Just want to practice some with it. I have a tendency to close my head of my club just a little bit. You see here, so I'm gonna work with it and adjust my hands a little bit so I can get a line a little bit straighter, so I can hit more greens. It's a good tool to have if you're having a little issue of closing your head a little too much or having it open a little too much. So if you're hooking a ball, that way you can adjust it, or if you're slicing, so just to help it out a lot. Should be a good tool. I'm gonna practice with it for a couple weeks. Hopefully it'll get me dialed down the middle, but check it out.